Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I'll tell you how to write a letter. Firstly, I tell you the definition of letter. A letter is a form of written communication between two persons or two parties on a particular topic. Students, basically there are two types of letter, informal letter and formal letter. Informal letters including letter to mother, father, friend, relative and close acquaintance. स्टूडेंट्स एक्वेंटेंस मीन्स वो लोग जिनके बारे में आप जानते हैं या जिनसे आपकी वाकफियत है. नाउ कम टू द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ लेटर, फॉर्मल लेटर. फॉर्मल लेटर्स इंक्लूडिंग बिजनेस लेटर्स, ऑफिशियल लेटर्स, लेटर्स टू एडिटर. स्टूडेंट्स, आई टेल यू द फॉर्मेट ऑफ informal letter because they are including in your syllabus. And students, you have seen on your composition book the head and the tail of the letter are written on the right side of the page, but this format is wrong. Students, according to the modern letter writing, we have to write the head and the tail of the letter on the left side of the page. Now come to the head of the letter. First of all, we will write examination hall. E of examination and H of hall we will write in capital letters, and then we will put comma. Now in second line, in this direction we will write city A dot B dot C, and after writing C we don't put here comma or full stop. Then in third line we will write month, date, comma, then year. After writing year we will put here dot, and after writing date we will put here comma. Now come to the salutation. First of all, I'll tell you what the salutation means. When we write dear mother, father, friend, these are called salutation. If you have written here dear mother and after writing dear mother you will put here comma. After writing salutation you have to write greeting words like assalamu alaikum, how are you. After writing the greeting words you will write the body of the letter, and while writing body of the letter you will write the main content of the letter. Students, there are some things which we have to adopt while writing the body of the letter. First is we have to write 2 or 3 paragraphs while writing the body of the letter. The second thing is we can use idioms and phrases while writing the body of the letter. The third thing is we can use the contraction of the word while writing the body of the letter. Now I'll tell you what does contraction of word means. Students, when we shorten the words, these are called the contraction of the words. For example, if we write cannot at the placement of the cannot, we can use can't. This is called the contraction of words. After writing the body of the letter, you have to write the greeting words again, like kindly pay my regards to all at home. Such kind of the words you can write after writing the body of the letter. Now come to the tail of the letter, like the head of the letter. You have to write the tail of the letter at the left side of the page. Here you will write your affectionately, yours sincerely, yours truly. Mostly students write here apostrophe s, yours affectionately, but that is wrong. You have to write yours affectionately and then you have to put here comma, and in next you will write x dot y dot z in capital letters, and after writing z don't put here comma or dot. This is the format of informal letter writing according to the modern board pattern. I hope today's topic will be cleared. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon for notifications. Okay students, we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.